Welcome to Money Control's Business Wrap. Let's have a look at the top headlines of 24th May. Nifty touched 23,000 intraday mark. Hindalco net profit rises 31% to Rs 3,174 crore in Q4 on higher volumes. Vodafone Idea stock jumps 9% on UBS upgrade, with analysts seeing up to 80% upside. Jaguar Land Rover to produce the iconic Range Rover in India, with prices set to come down. Bharat stocks will go up on June 4th in world market, says Jaishankar. Let's dive into the details of the top business news of the day. Market fails to hold record highs as it hit intraday, with Nifty ending below the 23,000 mark. Nifty hit intraday record high of 23,026, with Sensex at 75,637. The market gains for second straight week, with Nifty and Sensex up by 4% in 2 weeks, making a record of biggest 2 weeks gains in the last 5 months. Meanwhile, the mid-cap index relatively underperformed, with 1% up this week. Nifty Bank moved 2% higher this week, with HDFC Bank as the top contributor. 43 out of 50 Nifty stocks have given positive returns, with Adani Enterprise, Coal India, Cipla as the top gainers. Hindalco Industries reported a 31.6% year-on-year rise in consolidated net profit at Rs 3,174 crore for the March quarter from Rs 2,411 crore a year ago, helped by robust sales and low input costs across business segments. Consolidated revenue from operations remained flat at Rs 55,994 crore, the Aditya Birla Group flagship said in an exchange filing on May 24. Shares of Vodafone Idea surged over 10% on Friday to hit intraday high of Rs 15.70 on NSE, following a notable upgrade by brokerage firm UBS, elevating the telecom service provider's rating from neutral to buy, the first such recommendation in almost a year. UBS projects Vodafone Idea shares to reach Rs 18 within the next 12 months, suggesting a potential upside of nearly 30% from May 23rd's closing levels. Additionally, in the event of governmental relief on pending dues, UBS envisions a substantial 70 to 80% upside potential for the stock. Jaguar Land Rover has announced plans to assemble the iconic Range Rover models in India at the Pune plant, taking the process outside UK for the first time. Till now, the Range Rover models were only being manufactured in Tata Motors owned JLR's UK plant and then exported worldwide. The prices of locally assembled Range Rovers are expected to significantly lower by 18 to 22% between 1.40 crore to Rs 2.60 crore, depending on the model after the local production. Range Rover Sport would be available for deliveries as early as August this year. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar said investors across the world are waiting for June 4th to know the results of the ongoing Lok Sabha elections. In an interview with News 18, the minister said that many global companies are all set to go ahead with their India plans. He said, so it could be economic, it could be industry, it could be trade or the desire to partner with us, but Bharat stocks would go up on June 4 in the world's market. Then it is up to us to use it to accelerate our rise. Expressing confidence that the BJP would fulfill its 400 par target, Jaishankar said that the choices between the BJP-led government and the India bloc are clear to the people.